Nowadays, studying is not an easy task. Going through those bulky self-learning books, or running across tuition centers, or even operating those bulky laptops or computers. It's a pain, but no more. Smart School launches the mobile app for its award-winning digital content software, Smart School Tutor. With the entire education content on your mobile device, managing your studies will be a click away. With Study section, you can now access high-quality educational videos supported by interactive key points and quizzes. With Practice section, you can now practice any amount of timed quizzes from the chapters you wish to choose. Analysis section keeps the entire test history of your performance, and with features like artificial intelligence-based suggestions, you will get real-time feedbacks on your strengths and weaknesses. The best part? With Add Subscription feature, you can easily add more than one class on a single device. That's not all. With highly optimized delivery, the software can run even on low internet bandwidth. So wherever you are, the learning will never stop. To download the app, go to Google or Apple Play Store, type Smart School Tutor, download the app and get your 7-day free access.